What is going on, guys? Marcus here with the Reformation Woodshop. Today I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys one of the coolest attachments you can put on your DeWalt Mitersaw that's perfect for those who do crown molding frequently for inside of houses and on cabinetry. Recently I made this quick little top for a vent hood that we installed, and that required a little bit of crown cutting. After that job came out so nice and easy, I thought to myself, man, I need to make a video out of this crown fence because it is so freaking useful. This is the crown stop fence by Fastcap. It fits the DeWalt 779, 780, 781, and 790 miter saws. Installing is extremely easy. All you have to do is remove your existing fence and slide in the new crown stop fence in its place. It comes with these two golden crown stop fence slides, and they go right in the face of your actual fence. It has these parallel T-grooves cut into the face of the fence, which allows the slide bars to move freely up and down to fit any crown molding up to 7.5 inches. And when you're not cutting crown, you can store the slide bars and grooves on the back side of the fence. It's extremely important to get nice tight miters when you make your cuts. All you need to do is square up your crown on the fence, bring your slide bars right down on top of your crown, and go into making your cut. The crown stop fence makes it so that if you're cutting nested, you get the perfect, most accurate cut and angle at all times. You don't have to calculate your spring angle because that's what the crown stop fence does immediately. It will hold your material on the miter saw at an angle that mimics the way it will be installed on the wall or ceiling. With the base plate open, two people can simultaneously use this saw. Whoever's cutting the crown for the cabinets or ceilings, and whoever's doing the trim on the windows, doors, and all that kind of stuff can come in and use this saw without anything blocking their path. The best part about this is that this is a replacement fence system, which means you don't have to take it off and put the old wings back on when you want to get back to regular cutting. You just slide your T-bars out of the way and get back to work. Also, another good thing about this system is that it's an inch higher than the stock DeWalt fence that comes with the saw. So in your everyday work, when you're using this saw, you'll get a little bit more support with this fence. There are other products in the market for cutting crown that are kind of similar to this guy. A lot of the other products strap to the bed of your miter saw, which is a little bit more hassle in moving and maneuvering around them. To be completely transparent, cutting crown is not my specialty. With all the flips and turns that you need to be doing to make sure that all your miters line up and everything's in line, it can get really easy to get confused and make the wrong cut. This takes one more thing off of my plate to worry about. You can get the crown stop fence on the Fastcap website for 169 bucks. It is a little bit of an investment, but making this purchase totally makes sense if your main source of income is trimming. If you watched this video and thought to yourself, man, that was so good, how can I give this guy money to repay him? Then you're in luck. I have a lot of stuff listed on my Etsy store that you can buy to support the channel, so head on over to reformationwoodshop.etsy.com to grab something.